Hi,
Hi,
Hello.
Devji.
good to see you all.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hemaji,
same here.
Yeah.
yeah,
You're looking handsome today.
thank you. Your hairstyle is good.
But yesterday I did that because
Yeah.
uh, mera due thigh. That's why I want to change my look.
See happy faces. Asha ji,
Okay.
your background is very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, how is your family? Your son
All
and
good.
all? Okay.
All good.
Yeah, how is your last week?
It was amazing.
Okay,
We really enjoyed that activity.
very good. What about you, Heman?
Yeah, it's amazing. Amazing for me. I got clarity. Not properly, but definitely I got clarity. Clarity like I'm in a right track. That is my clarity.
Very good.
I transform myself and I know more about myself. That is I got
We
clarity.
have done a wheel of life.
Yeah,
What is the, you know, outcome you got? What is that you understood?
I understood. Understood. There have so many areas like we never know. I know about it, but never think about it. Like health, career, fun, recreations, whole picture in front of me. And I want to improve which I wanted. If I wanted to improve myself, my I got rating in the
Yes, yes.
4, 5, 7, whatever I think my area is lack of, my area is improve more.
Yeah,
Then I rate it like that.
good,
That it's really
good.
got clarity in
What about you,
this.
Asha?
Same, like I will say that we think life as a whole, but we never thought of in a separate areas like wealth, career, health. So it gives us more clarity and clear picture in front of you that where you have to really work, where you need to what you need to prioritize.
Yes.
So that is very very important at this moment when you are looking for transformation. So it's really really good. I enjoyed it.
Okay. Uh,
Recording.
Okay, start.
Mhm.
so we also done the activity on DNA. So did you understood the DNA and how to understand about inner DNA?
Like as a common person, what DNA means, whatever we get from our genetics, from our family members,
Okay.
something like that you're talking about, I believe.
No, no. This DNA.
Yes, I'm here. अरे मेरी वो फिर वहां पर बिजनेस के लोग होंगे ना. एक्चुअली आज फंक्शन है तो
Okay, friends. Today I am come up with a new activity. It is called the speech activity. You know what you have to do in this activity is to go into the somebody else's shoes and think how they think about yourself. Okay. For
Hmm.
example, your family members, or it can be your colleagues, or it can be your mother, friends, anything. So if they have given an opportunity to speak about you in a conference, then what they are going to say, it will help you to actually how the people look at you, how the people think about you. So you have to
Hmm.
write yourself. Is it clear?
yes.
Yes.
So can you write down what your friends think about you? Can you write down what your parents or family thinks about you? Or can you write down about your colleagues or people who works with you in the office, what they think about you? I'll just give you some time. You write down the speech, what they are going to give, and come back to me.
Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
आपका टाइम कम है
So
निधि.
you have spent time on writing the speech, right?
Yeah,
So how is your feeling?
it's good.
Feeling
I
good,
felt
emotional,
I felt melt
lot of feelings.
inside. Yeah,
Okay.
you're right.
So can you share the story what you have written? Asha, can you share your story first.
Definitely. Sorry, I'm feeling very emotional about telling this story because I'm talking about my dad, and uh, the occasion which I thought about is that I wrote a book and I'm getting an award for that book. And my dad comes on the stage and he says, "Wow, I'm so happy today. I'm feeling proud of you, proud of my daughter. From childhood, I have observed her. She is very smart and hardworking. She has a learning attitude, and being the eldest in our house, she always encourages her younger ones. She handles the family and takes full responsibility of the task. She has made us proud earlier as well when she represented herself in the basketball game, interstate basketball game. She has participated in Scouts and Guides during her school time, where she used to lead the girls' troop in the parade session in Independence Day and Republic Day ceremony. I would like to appreciate her public speaking talent as well. She has won 3 4 debate competitions. She also received a best project award in her post graduation. She is very practical and analyzes the things very deeply. She also adapts herself very well to the new situation. My entire family uh, loves her always learning and growing attitude. Everyone look forward to her for any kind of support and guidance they need. Even I do so sometimes. Always, she has created a unique identity for herself. No matter whatever challenges comes forward, she takes good care of her family. She handles her kids very carefully and lovingly. She keeps them motivating for the betterment by sharing lot of examples from her life. She always appreciate I always appreciate her decisions. Like herself, she is developing her kids as an all-rounder. I know she has sacrificed her corporate career for the sake of family by staying at home, but also explored lot many areas of work. She tries to learn from everyone. I never seen her any. She's simple, loving, high thinking. She has a full faith in God. She always try to make a difference in any way she can. During the lockdown, also, she has explored many areas in art and painting and cooking. She's always ready to help. I know she's getting sensitive now, so I should stop here. I always appreciate her. So I'm so proud of her now. Thank you.
Thanks for
Very
sharing.
nice,
Yeah,
actually.
thanks
Very
for
nice.
sharing.
It's
It is
really
very uh,
emotional.
emotional and touching story.
Seriously, emotional.
Yeah. So if we listen
Mm,
what you are sharing, there are a lot of words are there. The words are like, she's a leader. She cares for people. She takes risk. She takes, take care of the family. So a lot of things has come up. So these are your value proposition. These are your core values, and this is where you enjoy your life. Okay. So
yes.
if we can underline those words which you have shared, so most of the words are repeating again and again. From the childhood to now, there are a lot of leadership, a lot of caring, all these kind of things.
Mm,
Okay. So
yeah.
I will, guide you more on this, how to improve those.
Hmm.
Hemaji, can you share your story?
Yes, yes, I share you. This is I wrote. This is my story. It's really felt melt inside me,
This
and
is about who? Who is sharing this?
my husband is
Okay,
sharing.
okay,
Uh,
okay.
there is a perception.
Right.
I wrote three person, but now
Hmm.
I explain in a one. It's
Yes,
more
please.
than sufficient. Okay, I think I will explain. Hema is the strength of our family. She is that one of pillar. Keep all of the unit as the one. She is a friend and mother both to the kids and she understands everyone and goes out of her way help everyone. She makes sure to spread love, happiness, and support everyone in achieve milestone in life. Hima is more like a angel than wife, mother, and daughter. She was always there for me at every step of my life through my journey of ups and downs. Her support and love remind constant, and I can't imagine my life without her. That is his perception.
Clap for her.
Very nice.
Thanks
Very
for sharing.
appreciated.
Okay, and how you feel after sharing this?
This is really melt inside. It's sweet.
So when we listen your story, whatever the words, lot of words that love for your family, there are a lot of words for your support. It
Yeah, yeah.
shows, how you wanted to be and how you think about
How I
yourself.
am
Yeah.
important
So
their
how
life.
important you are.
Yeah.
And then we also see that your husband loves you so much, your kids love
Yes.
you so much, and you have a very happy family. Okay, so these are the things which will actually help you. The speech activity will help you to
Break.
grow in life, to
Yeah.
understand life better.
Better.
Okay, so I'm going to guide you, I'm going to support you in a right manner. So
You're
similarly,
right.
so now you understood what your family think about you.
Family. So you're
When
right.
you wrote all about other things, like how your friends think about you, how
You're
your
right.
colleagues think about you, so
Yes.
Mm.
so that you can change certain things
Certain
in a
thing.
better way.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
so this is the activity for this week. We'll
Yeah.
meet again in the next week. If you have
Definitely.
any doubts, you can share with me, but you have always had to work on your development.
Development. You're
Okay,
right.
Yes.
so whatever activities we are doing, we have to improve that, right?
True.
See
Yes.
you next week.
Yeah.
Take
Yeah.
care.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Bye.
Bye. Take care.